In this video, I will show you how to type email symbol in Microsoft Word document. So any version of Office you are using, you can type and write this symbol easily. First method, using this character code, so 1F for E7. Now select it, then press Alt plus X. One F for E7 plus Alt plus X. So this is the shortcut, and also you can type manually. So insert symbol, more symbols, select font this one, and subset you have to select this extended characters plain, then insert. You can find easily using this character code 1F4E7. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.